Hi, this is Alex here. So I have an inquiry to remove arrows like this. So I'm not sure from the photo provided to me, I'm not sure the arrow is something related to filter or something related to data validation. So if the arrow is just from the filter, from a table, so you click inside here, there are two options. One is you just select all, Control A, select this table. Here there's a table design tab. You can go to table design and then you select this thing at the left hand side, convert. Hold on, I need to remove this monitor. Okay, you can convert this thing to normal range, not table. Yes, so this will disappear. So another option you can do is after you select all, you go to data, you see this filter highlighted, remove filter, so the arrow will be gone if that is related to table format or filter. There's another possibility which is data validation, which when you click there's a drop down. So this is data validation. So if this is data validation, you need to highlight those items that with the arrow. So I believe in my case this is until here. So this is data validation. So here in the home tab there's this data validation. So you can click here and clear all. So once you clear all, just click OK. So the drop down list will be disappear. Thank you.